Good day, everyone. Today we have one of the most brilliant machines ever built. It's an Atlas Copco GA 7P version. It's a air compressor from 7.5 kilowatts by Atlas Copco, built in 2009, and it has integrated air receiver of volume of 270 liters. On this compressor is generally overhauled and serviced with Electronicon 4 graphic. It's one of the latest controllers provided by Atlas Copco. Let's see the general overview for this machine and service plan. So this compressor is around 32,000 hours under general use. Among that, 23,990 hours under load, which is not much for this kind of machine. So the compressor is connected to the air receiver. So let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure from 0 to 8, 9, 10 bars. This machine is extremely quiet. I think it's the most quiet, among the quietest compressor ever built. It's already 3.5 bars in the system. That's practically very fast for 7.5 kilowatts compressor. Let's see the label. Weighs 330 kilos. Built in 2009. Yeah. Check the product information if you need it. 5.5 bars. Don't miss this machine because you don't get it much often. That's it. The pressure is set to the final pressure is set to 9.5 bars, and minus 2 bars of pressure oscillation. So the compressor starts at 7.5 and ends up building pressure to 9.5. So it's a great piece of machinery. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.